Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to verify your MetaMask wallet. It is absolutely crucial to ensure your digital assets are safe and secure. We will walk through the essential steps to confirm your MetaMask wallet's authenticity, helping you avoid common pitfalls and protect your valuable cryptocurrencies. This guide will empower you with the knowledge to confidently manage your digital finances. First, always obtain MetaMask from its official sources. Navigate directly to MetaMask, EO, or use your browser's official extension store. Double-check that the website address is precisely MetaMask. EO to avoid phishing sites. Never download from unofficial links or search results that look suspicious, as these could contain harmful versions designed to steal your funds. Once you are in your browser's extension store, carefully examine the MetaMask extension details. Ensure the publisher is clearly listed as MetaMask and not a similar, deceptive name. Legitimate MetaMask extensions typically show millions of users and thousands of positive reviews, providing strong indicators of authenticity. Take a moment to verify these crucial details before adding it. Finally, maintaining ongoing security is paramount. Your secret recovery phrase is the master key to your funds. Never share it with anyone, under any circumstances. Be extremely wary of any messages or emails asking for your wallet details. Regularly check and revoke permissions for sites connected to your wallet, especially those you no longer use, to keep your assets secure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.